Take R1 here, R2, take one more. This will act as an internet. R3, connect it. We'll give IP addresses. We'll make one loop back because I don't have any internal employees. Address.
So by default there is no employee.
No, by default there will be no.
The first type.
One second. If I want to see that IP interface brief. By default there is no loopback. This because I had given loopback one, that's why. But no IP address. By default there will be nothing. No loopback. Give IP address. Zero. IP address is there. Now I will give root also. I should know how to reach to internet, right? Or how to reach to some other web. See, by default there is no loopback. Now just assign IP address here. Give IP address to this. Give IP address to this. Okay, nothing else, no root. It should not know about my internal employee. Okay, because the packets are going under encapsulation ESP. I will encapsulate with ESP and I will add one more header with that. So no need of knowing that. It should know the physical thing. That's it. Right now, do ping 10.1.1.1. It's going 20 dot. It's going okay. Right now, if I'll try from here, will this go? Will this go? Why? I don't have any ASA. It should go. Why it's not? It will not go. Sorry?
Encapsulate.
Up to now I have not written anything for VPN. I have not written that 6. Huh?
Doesn't know the route.
Yeah, because the middle router, it doesn't know the route, so that's why it is not sending the packet. Now what I will do, it's visible,
Yes.
somewhat dim, not clear. Yeah, bye. Okay. First step is what? I should give the mirrored ACL, right? Access list, given a number, permit, write IP, don't write ICMP, because I cannot, I will not write different access list. I will not make different tunnel for different connection. For TCP one tunnel, for ICMP one tunnel. Okay, for all I will make only one tunnel from source to the destination. Through that anything can go, HTTPS, HTTP, anything. Okay. So permit IP from which host? From this host to which host? This host. Okay. Enter. Next is what? Next.
Create
See, ISACAMP, crypto, ISACAMP, policy, give a policy number. From this range, give anything. I'll use 10. Okay. Now authentication. How is the authentication? See, it is pre-share or RSA. RSA in the case of if I am downloading my certificates from somewhere else, at that time I will give RSA SIG. Okay. But because in third step, see the third step, pre-share key I will be giving. So authentication here, it will be pre-share only. Okay. Then encryption, 3DES, AES or DES. Okay, from this use 3DES. Then group, Diffie-Hellman group, which is used to check the integrity. Integrity means my data should not be changed from one place to other place. Okay. Generally 3 groups are present which will be supported by the router for VPN, 1, 2 and 5. Take 2. After that, hashing. For integrity, I should change the data in such a way that nobody else can also know. If they will not know, they cannot change the data. Okay. So hashing, use MD5. MD5. Okay, that's it. Exit. Now third step is create crypto key. ISACAMP key 0 or 6. It will be locally significant only. Okay, even if you are giving 0, it will be encrypted. 6 means encrypted. Okay, I'll give 0. Then I will give a key for which address it is. See, address is there, no? If you know the host name, generally in the network I will not know the host name. Okay, so address, for which address? 20.1.1. The physical address, not the logical one. Okay, physical. Then next step is crypto. Now IPsec, transform set, give a name. See, give any name. Tset, what you want to use, AH or ESP. First I will show with ESP. Okay, now after that you can do for AH also. 3 dash, other is, see this one for data encryption and other one for integrity, for providing integrity in the data. ESP MD5 HMAC. Okay, now here if you want to give a mode, by default if you are not giving any mode, by default it will be tunnel only. Okay, but if you want to hard code it, you can give otherwise transport. It will be, if you are not giving anything, it will be tunnel only. Okay, we are not giving anything. Exit. Now next step is crypto. What to create? Map. give a name to this, let's say CMAP, give a sequence number. The number that I am giving and the name that I am giving is locally significant. Okay, it can be same, but it should not, like there is not mandatory that it should be same. Okay, there is no condition like that. Now IPsec, ISACM, IPsec, ISACM. IPsec manual I will use if one side I am using Cisco router, other side I am using Juniper router or some other vendor router. At that time I will give IPsec manual. Okay, it is saying this new crypto map will remain disabled until a peer and a valid access list is not there. So I will do set peer. What is the peer? 20.1.1.1. Then set transform set. What is the transform set name? tset. Okay. Now after that match address. What is the ACL number? 101. Okay. Enter. Exit from here, and last step is what? Apply this. How to apply? Crypto map CMAP. Okay, no direction, nothing. Enter. That's it. Okay, I have configured on this side. See, ISACMP is on. I have configured on this side R1. Now on R2 also I have to configure. Okay, so what I will do, I will go in R2. Now you tell me the steps. What should I write first?
This has to be configured.
Sorry?
This has to be configured on both the routers.
Yeah, on both the routers. Then only it will be negotiated. If at one place you have key, other place you don't have, how it will be negotiated then? That's why. That's why all the things, whatever you have written here, you should write on other thing also. Okay? So yeah, you can. Show run section of crypto ACL. But why I am saying not to copy? Because this is the case in GNS3 where I will be having control on both. I can. But what if one is in Bangalore, one is in Delhi? You will not copy. You can't copy and paste. At that time you should write. For that reason I told to write. But no worries. I will just copy this and paste it in Notepad. Okay. Now I have to edit it because it's for R1. I have to write for R2. Okay, so I have to edit it. First of all, this should be from 2.2.2. to host 1.1.1.1. Okay, then sorry, number, it can be same, it can be different, no problem. Then after this, remember I have given exit after this. Exit, then ISACM key for address, it should be 10. Okay. After this should be ESP. Remember the name that I have been giving can be same, can be different, but this thing should be the same. This thing should be the same. Okay. One second, I should give exit after this also. Then set peer, here should be this, then exit, then int f00. Okay, anything else? Correct? Just copy this and paste it on R2. on. Now if I'll see, does R2 have the route? No, it is not. That's why I should give route on R1 and R2 also, both. IP route 0 0 10. See, now the packets are going. If you want to check through what the packets are going, then just capture packet. Capture packet here. Now if you'll ping again, and if you'll see this, see, can I see 1 or 2? I cannot see, and it is, I told no, after see the packet, how the packet is, like, see, because I am in tunnel mode, that's why it had added one more IP. Okay, because I am using ESP, that's why it is not showing other things. Understood? If you want to see other things, then you need to do this. Understood this?
Yes.
Puzzle?
Yes.
Now verification. If you'll give this show crypto ISACAM essay. Show crypto ISACAM essay means security association. See this 20.1.1.1 destination source is this QM idle. Okay, it is the state. Now next thing, suppose if you are not seeing here QM idle, okay, suppose your packet is not going, you need to troubleshoot. Okay, see this show ISACAM essay. Okay, if you are not seeing this QM idle, then check the first thing, the policy that you have given, if all the things are same or not, similar or not. Okay, after checking that, if it is similar, check the key, you had given the same key on both the side or not, peers are same or not. Okay, if that is okay, then also packet is not going. Okay, then check this show crypto IPsec essay. Show crypto IPsec essay. Okay, see this, if essays are formed, see, one is inbound ESP, other one is outbound ESP. The outbound ESP should be the inbound ESP for that side. The inbound ESP should be the outbound ESP of that side. If ESPs are forming, SA are forming, that means there is no problem. If it is not forming, check your transform set. Okay, from 1 to 3, the steps from 1 to 3 belongs to phase 1. Okay, if phase 1 is not working, you need to check 1 to 3 steps. Okay, if phase 1 is working, there is problem in phase 2, then check 3 to 6. Okay, sorry, 4 to 6. Yeah. Okay, now if you want to see the packet, because I have used ESP, that's why it is not showing me the packet. If I want to see the packet, what is actually in the packet, then nothing else, I have to go in that interface. I will tell first, like no net control. Okay, like that only I have to disable that map cmap. Okay, after disabling crypto IPsec transform set tset Before I have used ESP and 3-dash ESP MD5, right? Just give no to this. First remove the transform set. No crypto map CMAP 10 IPsec map 10 IPsec ISECamp. Give no to this. Enter. Okay, after that give a transform set, and in that transform set use AH MD5 HMAC. Okay, if you want to change the mode you can, otherwise leave it. Now create crypto map CMAP 10 IPsec ISECamp set transform set tset set peer 20.1.1.1, then match 01. Okay, go in interface, give crypto map CMAP. Okay, now in the same way do for R2 also. First of all, go in the interface, disable crypto map CMAP. Okay, then exit crypto map CMAP 10. Okay, then crypto IPsec transform set tset ESP 3-dash ESP MD5. Give no to this, and use AH this time. Crypto map CMAP 10 IPsec ISECamp set transform set tset set peer 10.1.1.1 match address 101. Tunnel interface, give crypto map CMAP. Okay, that's it. Now ping 2.2.2.2 some source 1.1.1.1. Packets are going. Okay, now if we'll capture the packet, now again if we'll ping, packets are going. This time ICMP. Why it is showing ICMP? Because it is not covering anything. See the frame, data, ICMP, IP, AH, again IP and Ethernet. Okay, because it is not covering. If you want to see the packet, use AH in place of ESP. Okay, at that time you will see, because it is tunnel, that's why 2 IP is not replaced. Okay, it is just adding one more IP. Okay, understood this? Clear? Like that you can see with ESP, with tunnel AH with tunnel, ESP with transport, AH with transport. Okay, understood? If you want, you can use for ESP, AH both at a time. Sorry?
Both at a time.
Yeah, you can use while giving the transform set. No, first give ESP 3DS. Okay, after that give AH MD5 HMAC.
So what will it do?
It will do just, it will, ESP will be
It will hide it.
yeah, it will hide it. ESP will also give protection, AH will also give protection. Both will give protection. To increase the protection we are using that. Okay, or nothing. Understood this?